In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and configure a price plan on Systeme.io. If you're ready to streamline your sales and offerings, setting up a price plan is an essential step to effectively manage your digital products. Let's dive into this process and make it as clear and straightforward for you as possible. First, you'll want to log into your Systeme.io account. Head over to the login page and enter your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication set up, make sure to follow through with that as well. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Systeme.io dashboard. Here, you'll start by focusing on the websites section. With your cursor, hover over this tab to reveal more options. Next, you'll want to click on Sales Funnels. This area is where the magic begins, as it houses all the tools you need to build your sales process. From the list of your funnels, select the one with the order form you plan to work with. These forms are crucial because they collect the billing information from your customers and facilitate transactions. In your order form, look for and click on Digital Product. This is where you'll input the core details of your product. Once you've made your selection, take a moment to think about a name for your product. Be sure it's something descriptive yet catchy, as this is what will appeal to your customers. With your product named, it's time to dive into the price setup. Go ahead and find the plus icon under Price Plans to start crafting your offer. Once you click it, you'll see the option to create a new one. This is an exciting part because it's where you define how your product will be purchased by the customer. You'll start by entering a name for the price plan that reflects the offer. This name will be visible on the dashboard payment page and as the statement descriptor your customers see. After naming it, decide which type of price plan best suits your product. You have three main options: one-time payment, subscription, and payment plan. If you choose a one-time payment, simply select this option, then enter your desired payment amount. Remember to click Save to ensure this information is captured. If a subscription suits your needs better, consider whether you want to offer a trial period. Set its duration, indicate the price, and decide the frequency of the billing cycle, like monthly. The process for a payment plan is slightly different. You'll still choose frequency, but also the total number of payments required. Finally, once you're satisfied with your price plan configuration, don't forget to hit Save. After that, you'll need to save your digital product to wrap up the process. By doing this, your price plan is now officially set and ready for action. This means you're now fully equipped to move on to promoting and selling your product confidently. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to elevate your business with Systeme.io.